Hello, it's Gino at Breakfast. I'm Gino from Gino at Breakfast. And this is producer Paul. Alright, Paul, give us a high five.
Hey.
And what we're doing is, this is the thing that's been annoying you for ages on the show, right? You know, because it's Gino at Breakfast hearing test, Paul, isn't it?
What?
It's the hearing test.
Sorry, what?
The hearing test. Anyway, this is what it is. So come a bit closer, okay? This is what it is, okay? You ready? You ready? You ready? Eh? That's what it was. A clipboard. Clipping on the clipboard. That's the hearing test.
What?
The hearing test. The hearing test.